2026 is off to a running start as the moon waxes full in Gemini. A full moon always amplifies the nature of the area of the zodiac and specifically the asterism where it waxes. The moon acts as a celestial catalyst that sets in motion varying potentials and sequences of inevitabilities for planet Earth and for those of us residing here on planet Earth. As the moon quickly circumvents the zodiac, it subtly influences the collective consciousness. The movement of divine feminine moon is continuously affecting our psyche, our thoughts and emotions day in and day out. On January 3rd, the full moon takes place in Ardra Nakshatra, ruled by the North Node, Rahu. The energy of Ardra is intense. Its themes pertain to turbulence, avant-gardeness, and futuristic matters. This January 3rd full moon carries the energy of renovation, whether we are renovating something internally, externally, or both. Additionally, Jupiter, the planet of spirituality, higher learning, and dharma, conjunct the Ardra full moon, helps to strip away illusions, to further transform us, to deeply transform us, to profoundly spiritually transform us. At the height of the lunar cycle, the 7th house of the full moon chart is under a great deal of pressure. That is because the Sun, Mars, Venus, and Mercury convening in Sagittarius in the 7th house of relationships, marriage, and contracts receive the aspect of both Saturn and Ketu, the South Node. In the next couple of weeks, some of us will face an uncomfortable truth about a partnership. This could be a marriage partnership or a business partnership. This truth most likely will emerge via a confrontation, a heated discourse, or a disagreement. If this sounds like you, it is important to remember that we have to completely tear down something before something else can be rebuilt. And that is a process that is often disruptive, disorienting, and uncomfortable, but it is absolutely necessary. Key words for this upcoming cycle until the January new moon are makeover, reformation, reconstruction, improvement, and upgrade. Overall, the January 3rd full moon, called the Pausha Purnima, that is the full moon in the month of Pausha. Pausha is the month when the sun is in Sagittarius, invites us to face our karmic completion through discipline, purification, both inner and outer purification, and endurance. Whatever we are facing, we will get through it. There are many seasons of our lives, and spring always returns after winter. I am wishing you the best in the next 2 weeks. See you at the January new moon.